Hey there, fellow dreamers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something special in store for you. We all love the idea of earning money while we sleep, right? Well, you're in luck because we've compiled 20 brilliant and smart passive income ideas that actually work. So, grab your pen and paper, and let's dive right in. Before we get into the juicy details, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon, so you never miss our future money-making tips and ideas. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you're as excited as we are. Alright, let's start with our first smart passive income idea. One, real estate investments. Investing in real estate can be a game changer. From rental properties to real estate crowdfunding, there are various ways to make money while your properties appreciate over time. We'll walk you through the process of getting started and some pro tips. Two, digital products. If you have a talent or expertise, creating digital products like e-books, online courses, or digital art can be a goldmine. Once created, you can sell them repeatedly without much effort. Three, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular choice for passive income. We'll show you how to partner with brands and earn commissions by promoting their products or services through your unique affiliate links. Four, high-yield savings accounts. Let your money work for you. High-yield savings accounts offer better interest rates than regular ones, and your money will grow without much risk. 5. Dividend stocks. Investing in dividend-paying stocks can generate a steady stream of passive income. We'll share some strategies to pick the right stocks and manage your portfolio effectively. 6. Peer-to-peer lending. Be the bank. Peer-to-peer lending platforms allow you to lend money to individuals or small businesses and earn interest on your loans. Seven, stock photography. If you have a passion for photography, why not turn it into a passive income stream? We'll explore how stock photography websites can help you sell your stunning images online. 8. Rental business. Whether it's renting out your car, equipment, or even your driveway, the rental business can be a smart way to earn passive income from underutilized assets. Create a mobile app. Mobile apps can bring in substantial revenue if they solve a problem or provide entertainment. Learn how to create and monetize your own app. 10. Invest in index funds. Index funds provide diversification and require less effort than actively managed funds. Discover how to make the most of this passive investment strategy. And there you have it. But wait, we're only halfway through our list. Keep watching for more brilliant smart passive income ideas. But before we continue, take a moment to like this video and share it with your friends who are looking to boost their income too. (11) Create a niche website. Niche websites can generate passive income through ads, sponsored content, or even membership fees. We'll guide you through finding the right niche and building a successful website. (12) Print-on-demand merchandise. Unleash your creativity and design custom merchandise without worrying about inventory. Print-on-demand platforms take care of everything, and you earn a profit from each sale. (13) YouTube ad revenue. That's right, we're talking about YouTube itself. Share your passions through videos and grow your channel to start earning money from ads. (14) Invest in cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies have taken the world by storm. We'll explain how you can invest strategically and potentially see your money multiply over time. 15) Create a subscription box service. Subscription boxes are all the rage now. Learn how to curate exciting products and create a loyal subscriber base. (16) Automated online stores. With dropshipping and automation, running an online store has never been easier. Discover the steps to set up your store and start selling products without handling inventory. (17) License your content. Turn your creative work into passive income by licensing it. Whether it's music, videos, or software, licensing can bring in steady royalty payments. 18) Create an online course marketplace. If you're passionate about education, why not create an online course marketplace? Allow instructors to sell their courses while you earn a commission on each sale. 19) Invest in rights. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, offer a way to invest in real estate without directly owning properties. Learn how they can boost your income. 20) Royalties from books and music. Have a book or a music album. Earn royalties whenever your work is purchased or played. And that concludes our list of 20 smart passive income ideas that actually work. We hope you found some inspiration to start your passive income journey. Remember to subscribe and hit that bell to get notified when we upload more valuable content. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, stay motivated, stay creative, and keep chasing your financial dreams. See you soon! Alright, take care, and have a fantastic day!